So the public lectures, also known as Insights, are a series of talks. 3 talks are open to the public that run through the academic year, and the lectures have been running in the current form for about 60 years, so it's a kind of a long established programme and something that I'm very proud to be involved with.
Our lectures are really open to anybody that wants to come along. They're free of charge. We have, for example, students from the university, we have members of staff at the university. General members of the public are welcome to come along and be informed.
The Insights lectures cover a broad range of themes and topics. They are themed around our 5 key research strengths, but it can be anything on current affairs, history, medicine, popular culture. It's really a little bit of everything, and the aim of the programme really is to try and engage with as many people as possible over as many topics as possible.
I think the lectures are really important in terms of Newcastle University's outreach work and engagement. It's an opportunity for the university to engage with the wider city and for general members of the public to come in and learn something new.
Whenever we're thinking about speakers, we're just thinking about it's not necessarily profile that's important or that can play a part. It's about whether they're a good communicator, whether they've got something interesting to say, and if they are good at saying it. With the public lectures, we are also really privileged to be able to work with some of our current students who we employ to be event stewards, which is fantastic. It's a great experience for them, and they really help make the events a success.
So we're typically involved in setting up for the lectures, making sure they run smoothly and running mics during the Q&As, and then at the end we put everything away ready for the next session.
So from working at public lectures, I feel like I've gained good kind of communication and interpersonal skills, the ability to speak to people from lots of different backgrounds, and also kind of just knowledge about some interesting topics that I wouldn't otherwise have.
It's a really rewarding job being able to see the lectures run smoothly, having obviously worked to set them up. It's also really interesting. You get to sit in and hear some really interesting lectures.
My favourite part of my job is really welcoming members of the public onto campus, maybe somewhere they've not been before, an environment that they've not been in, and they kind of get a lot from the experience. They learn a lot from the lectures.
We have some people that attend every single lecture, regardless of topic, which is lovely. Their drive is just basically they want to learn, they want to hear experts speak, they want to find out information, they're kind of really thirsty to learn, and I feel like it's quite a social occasion for some people. You know, people get to make friends, they meet friends here, and that's really special to see as well.
What I've gained from the lectures is basically an insight into subjects that I didn't study at school. I'm hearing lots of different views, different opinions, and things that I do know about. I'm hearing up-to-date development in those subjects, so they're just so relevant.
The nice thing is when Margaret and I get together after the lectures, we get to exchange our views, see what we both got out or understood from what we heard, and then also admire the skills of these different lecturers as well. I would definitely say please do come to these lectures. Main thing is it's for the public, it's free. You learn so much by attending these lectures. I'd love to see the lectures continue.
This opportunity, you know, put on by experts in their field in the university, so it's just a great way to keep your education going through your life.
Couldn't do what we do without them. If it wasn't for our audiences coming back week on week and kind of giving us their feedback, we wouldn't be able to continue doing this. It's really for them. We want to make sure that we're doing the best that we can and we are delivering something that is meaningful and valuable and that they want to keep on coming back to week on week, year on year.
If you're interested in coming to an Insights public lecture, just come along on a Tuesday or Thursday during term time. They're completely free of charge, so if there's a subject that interests you, I'm sure we have it in our programme.
There is something for everybody, we hope. We try and cover as many topics and areas as possible, and we hope that you might join us soon.